Hey there, home warriors. I bet you're here because you've got a little uninvited guest, huh? A silent invader that's not so silent when it comes to your health. That's right, we're talking about black mold. You know, a study done by the Institute of Medicine back in 2004 found that indoor exposure to molds can lead to upper respiratory tract symptoms. Yeah, sneezes and wheezes are no fun, right? I'm sure you've been Googling all night, just worrying your head off about how to get rid of black mold. Well, fret no more, because you're about to learn the ins and outs of mold busting. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is suit up. Get those gloves on, secure those goggles, and make sure that mask is nice and tight. Remember, we don't want to breathe in any of that nasty stuff. Next up, we mix our secret weapon. Take your spray bottle and fill it with a solution that's 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. Just shake it up until it's all mixed together. Got a little baking soda on hand? Excellent. You're going to make a paste using a mixture of baking soda and water. The consistency? Think pancake batter. Now, it's time to show that black mold who's boss. Spray the vinegar solution onto the moldy area and let it sit for about an hour. This is like sending in the first wave of soldiers to start the battle. After an hour, grab that brush and your baking soda paste. Scrub the area with the paste. This is your second wave of attack. The scrubbing will help to lift and remove the mold from the surface. And then, the final rinse. Spray a bit of clean water on the scrubbed area to rinse off the paste and the mold. Wipe it clean, toss the wipe in your garbage bag, and guess what? You're mold-free. Remember, consistency is key. You might have to repeat this process a few times to completely eradicate the mold. But don't you worry, with time and persistence, you'll become a pro at this. Also, it's important to know that black mold often signals an underlying issue like a leak or high humidity. So, if you keep seeing this uninvited guest, you might want to get a pro to check out your home. I know this all seems like a lot to handle, but don't worry. It's like learning to ride a bike. You'll get the hang of it in no time. And you'll feel like a real DIY superstar when you're finished. Do you have any mold-busting tips to share? Or maybe some other DIY dilemmas you'd like us to help with? Leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, home warriors, keep that mold at bay.